As the year 2026 opens its gates, many will clean their floors, repaint their walls, and rearrange their furniture. Yet few will pause to ask the more important question: what is living in my house that does not belong in my future? Because blessings are not only invited, they are protected. A house is more than a building. It is an altar. Whatever dwells inside it speaks, spiritually, emotionally, and generationally. 1. Keep out objects that carry old pain. Some items are silent witnesses to heartbreak, betrayal, or failure. Gifts from broken relationships. Clothes from seasons of shame. Symbols of chapters God already closed. These objects whisper memories that reopen wounds. And where pain is constantly remembered, peace struggles to stay. 2026 calls for release. What God healed you from should not still sit on your shelf. Remember not the former things. Isaiah 43 verse 18. 2. Keep out disorder that invites confusion. Chaos is not neutral. Unnecessary clutter, especially in sleeping spaces, creates mental noise, emotional heaviness, and spiritual fatigue. When your house cannot breathe, your spirit struggles to rest. Order invites clarity. Clarity invites peace. Peace invites God's presence. Blessings love clean pathways. 3. Keep out words that curse the atmosphere. What plays constantly in your home matters. Music, movies, jokes, conversations. These are not just sound. Words build spiritual climates. A house filled with complaint, fear, mockery, and hopeless talk will struggle to carry joy, faith, and gratitude. In 2026, let your home sound like life. Life and death are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 18 verse 21. 4. Keep out bitterness and unforgiveness. You cannot lock bitterness in a room and expect blessings to roam freely. Unforgiveness is spiritual furniture that takes up space meant for favor. You don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because your house deserves peace. No blessing thrives in a home where resentment is fed daily. 5. Keep out open doors to darkness. Not everything is harmless just because it's popular. Objects tied to occult practices, ungodly rituals, or spiritual compromise, no matter how aesthetic or trendy, carry influences that drain peace and invite unrest. Light and darkness do not cohabitate. A blessed house is a guarded house. 6. Keep out fear of the future. Many carry fear like furniture, unquestioned and always present. Fear speaks of lack. Fear prepares for loss. Fear blocks faith. But 2026 is not entering your house to destroy you. It is coming to reveal what God has already prepared. A house that expects good makes room for miracles. The closing truth. Blessings don't arrive randomly. They settle where they are welcomed, protected, and honored. So, as 2026 knocks, ask yourself, is my house aligned with where God is taking me? Because when the wrong things leave, the right things don't struggle to enter.